Heaven decides how yin and yang should interact. A happy marriage is one between a man and his wife. When the dragon or snake arrives to greet, a joyful family reunites with dreams of heirs. Things are expected to go well because yin and yang are in harmony. Whatever you desire will come true, including marriage and a son. Money and wealth will follow. It is even more beneficial to the crops. During the drought, the paddies dried out. A huge rain eventually fell, thanks to God. Flowers, fruits, and plants are currently being fed. This shower had the potential to be worth its weight in gold. Rain falls after a lengthy period of drought. There's always a way out of any situation. A bountiful agricultural harvest. Luck is steadily getting better. The sick will discover a useful treatment. The traveler is free to return, attempting to gain access to the toady palace. With a laurel branch, however, alas, you are barred from entering heaven. Then some critical news arrives, all at once. Everyone will soon be beaming like flowers on the pinnacle, attempting to remove a branch of a magical laurel tree. In all circumstances, you will obtain timely assistance from distinguished individuals. Trade will be rewarding, but there may be risks. The lawsuit has been settled in your favor, and the sick will be treated. You will be okay if you do your best. Poor thinking cannot stand alone. A fickle fool wanders like a fallen flower. Only with great effort will assistance be provided. Otherwise, nothing but problems is on the menu. A fool is stuck and unable to escape. There is nothing else to do but wait and see what happens. Do not propagate rumors or gossip. Be cautious and thorough. Maintain your integrity and honesty to keep yourself safe. One has encountered suffering, risks, and difficulties. Plans that have been renewed will now prosper. A broad intellect with a big plan. A supporter will assist you in achieving success. An old well that has been refilled with spring water. You will be successful with the assistance of supporters. The lawsuit will be resolved. Patients will be cured and saved. You will find your fortune the same way a well gets replenished. As a message descends from the top, it becomes distorted. A letter is delivered from the very edge of heaven. It purports to bring prestige and honor, but ultimately it proves untrue. A name and a title that is both blanks. Many things are not as they appear, and you should adhere to customs and traditions. Overburdening oneself with thoughts and problems prevents one from enjoying idleness. Instead of worrying about status and title, staying and managing your current affairs efficiently is best. Every step is meticulously planned. You think about a lot, yet are afraid to do much. Until distinguished assistance arrives, a spot as solid as a rock can be located. Everything will be sturdy and safe in a good house with solid walls. Replace the old with the new. What was holding you back is now gone, like the arrival of spring when flowers grow again, and things will proceed quickly. The pale moon appears to rise from the east. Clouds sometimes obscure them, yet they are always present. It's circular at times, it's crescent at times. The truth is that such nonsense does not exist. Clouds have clouded the moon. Things are fuzzy and unpredictable right now. The moon is obscured by passing clouds. Do not be hesitant. You will see the rewards after the clouds have cleared. Unsheathed, the most excellent sword dazzles. No amount of dirt or dust can dull its radiance. As a prominent man has arrived, a message of might and might has been delivered for all to hear. The sheath of a formidable sword is drawn, a display of might and might. The supreme blade is drawn, blinding many 4 kilometers around. All will be well with the supervision of a distinguished individual. Be wary of anyone who offers you assistance. A concealed arrow camouflaged as a soaring crane should be avoided. When gathering firewood in the field, a snake with poison that provides only misery may lay in wait. Be pleased with your position and avoid becoming ambitious. You must exercise caution and take safeguards. Keep your mouth closed. Don't meddle with the affairs of others. If you act against your conscience, you will pay the consequence.